Hello and welcome back to Long Switch Academy. This is your host Shubham Prajapati. In today's quick tip video, we are going to talk about how you can customize your Salesforce homepage to suit your business needs. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe to us now and click on that notification bell so that you never miss an update from us. So let's begin. Once you are into your Salesforce org, click on this app launcher icon. Look for home. You'll get this option here. Click on the home and your home page will load. This is your by default home page that Salesforce gives to you, which shows so many things based on your data. But if you wish to change it or customize it, then we will share the steps with you so that you can replicate those same steps to customize your home page in the way you want it to look like based on your business data. In order to do that, once you are in your home page, click on this setup icon and click on the edit page option. At Long Switch Academy, we are trying to bring small steps to adjust your Salesforce instance to suit your business needs, so that it looks very familiar and more meaningful to your end users or your employees, and they can enhance the power of this Salesforce CRM to meet their business needs. So here, like, I have clicked on that edit page and you see this page here. Now these are the pre-configured components of your home page. So it is not allowing me to edit anything on this home page. You wonder why? What the heck is this? Why can't a user update any component on the existing home page or existing Lightning home page? Let's find out the reason. See, I'm purposefully keeping this segment in this video because a majority of the times new users get confused that why a certain thing is not working in Salesforce. So there has to be some reasons for a certain behavior on this platform. So let's find out why I can't drag and drop any of the component, or why I can't remove any of the existing component from this home page. In order to do that, we will have to go back to the setup. I'll go back. And from here I'll click on the setup, and I will look for home, and there you see feature settings, home. And here this option, when if you see this option, advanced seller home, this has to be unchecked for you to be able to edit the home page components or drag and drop new components on the home page. If this is active, it won't let you update any of the it won't let you customize the existing home page. So we'll have to mark it inactive. Now let's go back to the app launcher again. Look for home. We see this option here, and we have to click on the edit page. So now I can easily drag and drop the components from the home page, and we can we can add more components to the home page. So see, there is always a reason why certain things behave differently in Salesforce. The key here is you should know your steps, or you should know the reasoning behind that. So here, let's say I want to add some more component to this home page. I want to add recent records, and let's say maybe I don't want to apply any of the filter, and I just want to keep it here, and I want to remove the recent records from that bottom segment, and where I want to put some recent item section or recent items, what I say, component. I'm just showcasing you the steps that this is how you can drag and drop new components, remove some components from the page. I'm just demonstrating that to you. It all the customization on your homepage totally depends on your business use case and on the priority of your users. So you can modify it accordingly. And maybe we can add some dashboard here. It says invalid component because I don't have any of the dashboards available in my sample org. So you see, you can drag and drop some components on your home page, but it should work without any issues. Then only you will be able to save your changes. Now let's add one more thing, and then we should be good to this events. Maybe we can add a list view here, somewhere here, and we can choose the object like for which we want to add a list view. Let's say I want to showcase some of my accounts, so I want to filter out. I want to showcase only my accounts. I just want to showcase top 3 accounts, and I can here configure some of the options based on the list view. But let's say keep it simple and steady. Once you are done with your changes, hit save. This will ask you whether you want to activate your homepage or not for it to take the latest changes. Hit activate, and whether you want to make it as org default or not, it all depends on your business use case. I want to keep it as assigned org default because I just want to rely on this information for my org. So I'm done. I hit save. I'll go back to the home page. Let's see whether I see my latest changes or not. It is loading, and here you go. I added this list view. I added this standard recent items. I removed these recent records from this bottom section to the right section or right panel. So this is all about customizing your home page to meet your specific business needs. And if you found this video helpful, do subscribe to Long Switch Academy, share it with your friends, and help us to grow on YouTube. If you have any questions, any thoughts, or any suggestions, do let us know in the comment section below. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing with Long Switch Academy.